guys, welcome to my channel again. And today's fascinator, it's actually on this particular headpiece. It's very busy, right? But actually I was sent this something similar, not really this particular design, but something similar, not in love shape, but with this kind of pattern. And I was told to please bring it up on YouTube channel, and here I am. Yeah, I would have called out her name, but I feel maybe she might not want it. So let me just keep it secret. Okay, just share your comments. Let me know how this is going to look if you were to wear this, or if you were to have this. Would you like to have something like this? Okay, look at this. This is how it's sitting on my hair. Wouldn't you like to have something like this in your collection? Eh? And for your information, it has no buyer yet. So please, if you'd love this, send me an email, send me your look. Yes, to me, I love it. I like it. And I'll be teaching you guys how to do this. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial. And please remember to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, do it now. As I'm looking at you, just do it now. Yes, now. Hope you've done it. Good. Thumbs up for you. All right. Let me not just waste our time. And for people that still wants to learn one or two things, just send me an email. Send me a WhatsApp chat. My number is already on the screen. Get in touch with me. Let me know what and what you would like to learn. And if I will always tell you, if it's within my budget, I will surely do it. But if it's not, except if you are ready to start sending money to me, and I'll gladly receive it. That's what they call sponsorship. If you're ready to sponsor this channel, yes, you can do something, and to the glory of God, we'll start moving. Yeah. All right, that's the side. All right, thank you for staying on this channel. Thank you for your commitment. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your likes and shares. Just if you've not done any of that, please do that. I love you. So welcome to our channel once again. Today we'll be treating how to make this fascinator. I've already cut out my millinery wire, formed the love shape, and I'll also be teaching you how to form the spiral, sinamay spiral work. So I have two methods of doing it. One is using this coiling piece, and the second one you will get to know. Now for this one, I'll be rolling this sinamay wires round, then use the coiling piece to warm it up, then it forms a shape. That's for this one, and after that I'll be showing you the second method. So I'm done with this first method. Now the second one, I showed you the wire I'll be using. Now I've used this wire for my spiral work. In that video I called it an iron wire. I don't still really know the real name, but that's the one, the flexible wire I'm still going to be using for this. Now I'll be putting this wire, as you have seen in the video, in between the sinamay strip. Then with it I'll be forming the round shape, and that is how I did the second method. Now a lot of you will be wondering, but this other one I used the coiling piece is not forming that same way. Surely I'm still going to work on it. Just use your coiling piece to form the shape. And the problem with this particular one is that it won't really last long, and if anything happens, it can you don't really have to start getting coiling piece to start rolling it over and over again. But with the one that you have an iron inside it, you can easily use your hands to adjust it. So you can see what I'm using the coiling piece to do on the first method. You see now that it's now giving the same shape with the second method. So that is how you form this sinamay spiral work. And the second one is to, the next is to move on to our love shape. Okay, so I'll be using the cinnamon strip to cover up the millinery wire with the use of an adhesive. So it's either you get whichever one is available at your location. So far it glues things together but not too harsh, then you can actually use it, especially all-purpose adhesive. So that is what I'll be using here, and actually I've rubbed it through all over the millinery wire, and you can see I'm all done with the covering. Now it's just to cut off the excess and just do some finishing touches, then we'll start the main work. Okay, so I'll be attaching the love shape to the base, and I'll be using, as usual, my needle and my visible thread, which can also be called the fishing line. So now for people that don't really know how well the love might sit, it's very practicable, or it's better you practicalize it so you don't make silly mistakes. So as you can see, I've taken my mannequin and I've placed it where I want it to be on the head, and the part I want it to be. Then I now know where exactly I'll be attaching my love shape. You can as well do that. Always see through before you do the main thing, so you don't have to start making costly mistakes. That is one thing. So I've successfully attached the love shape to the base, and I've also formed the Millinery cinema spiral designs, and the next is just to start attaching this to the love shape. And you just have to be, if you don't really know how it's done, just look closely, you will get it no matter how. If you have done this and the next is just to attach, you can easily do that. Now aside from all this I've been saying, you can notice that the base I'm using, I had to pin it down to the mold so I can have a kind of stability while I do this. So I don't want in a case whereby I'm trying to attach and the thing starts flopping up and down. So that was why I had to use the mold to form the base. If you have a place you can also put your base, all well and good. Just get your work done and let the final result come out beautiful. That's the main thing. Okay, now you can see how far we've gone, and hope you like what you're seeing. Now I'll be removing the mold that I used for the stability. So as it stands now, I don't really need it any longer. So the next is just to finish up with the work, and I'll be presenting you the finished work. Thank you, and please watch till the end because we still have other things that you need to learn on this video. Thanks, and share, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll really appreciate if you participate more often.